guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Now Santa gets chocolate chip cookies every year, but today I'll be making him some hot cocoa cookies. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees and I'll start by combining all of my dry ingredients. Now any brand of hot cocoa can be used. Now it's time to combine the sugars. I'll whisk the melted butter and sugar together until creamy. I'll add eggs and vanilla extract and mix until well combined. I'll add the dry ingredients a little at a time until the mixture is well combined. Now these cookies have to have an overload of chocolate, so I'll add some milk chocolate chips. Now hot cocoa is never complete without marshmallows. I'll fold these in just a bit and place my mixture in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Time to get my cookie dough on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and I'll place it in my already preheated 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. These look and smell so good. Make these with your kids this holiday season, and I'll bet you'll be on the nice list. As always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!